Today I will be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott wave analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. So, since yesterday, I thought that there might be one more move down, and that's because I was a bit unclear about this structure. I knew it was going to be a five-wave structure because if this move here is A, this is B, then this has got to be C. I was having trouble with the move up in here, but with the current price action, you can see that price has been moving up since it made that bottom on the 15th yesterday. Since that bottom, price has been moving up, but in figuring out this move down, I think this is actually an expanding diagonal with this point right here being 1, right there, right? That's 1. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And then all the way down here is 5, okay? And that makes sense because this was a three-wave move, this was a three-wave move, and this right here, if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be your A wave, your B wave correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every leg of a diagonal is basically a zigzag, and that's what we have, a zigzag, zigzag correction, zigzag, zigzag correction, and another zigzag. And because the fifth wave is the longest wave, although they don't talk about this in the book, the Elliott wave principle, this section right here, I'll highlight it, uh, but this little section right here is the B wave, okay? And I use that as a default internal second when there's when there's a diagonal that has an extended first or fifth wave. So I use the B wave portion as an internal second default. But as you can see, it's moving up and it's already into that price zone, right? The retrace. Now, if we that was a 270-minute chart. If we zoom in a bit, okay, so this is a 27-minute chart. You can see it made its low right here on the 15th at 5:15 in the morning ish. Made a move up. We had a correction, and since then we've had 1, 2, 3 waves up. The question is, what is this structure? Is this going to be a motive structure where, this is 1, this is 2, this is a smaller degree, 1, 2, 3, making 4, going to have 5 to finish the third wave? Maybe. But it's also possible that this could be a diagonal as well that's expanding. We'll just have to wait and see. But either way, I very much expect price action to keep pushing up. And I would expect it to still reach this zone that I've been discussing up here with the dotted lines, dotted yellow lines. And if B is over, and I think it is, if C were to equal A, that would put the price move up to somewhere near 57.58. And if it were to do that and stay in the channel, then you would see it probably take, it looks like another month to move up. So there you go. That's today's call. I hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's call.